What's cracking, y'all? So I'm gonna get y'all into today's episode. I bought a e46 wagon. Bought the wagon. Wagon's been dipping. It's been immaculate. Everything's been cool. Until one day. One day I'm dipping, and the car just starts acting funny. Like I feel like someone's clogged up in the cutoff. So I'm like, damn, maybe the headers are clogged. But I don't want to go spend the money and go buy the headers yet. So I said, okay, I'll do the vanos first. So this is my video of me doing the vanos. So we're going to see if it fixes the problem or if not. I have a bunch of vanos videos on my page. So if you don't know how to do the vanos on the E46, just click below, watch some of my videos. And I do have a video doing the vanos on the E46. So that's why you just see me with the vanos already off, putting it back together, putting it on the car and testing it. So if you have an E46 and it feel like your car is clogged or something like that, maybe it's the vanos seal. So check out this episode, see what it do. Okay, I ended up getting it on after it fell off. Got it. Vanos is on. All right, so it's time to put the vanos back on there. I already took the gasket off right here. Just gonna wrap it up. Make sure you have a clean surface. You ain't got no leaks, man. Okay, that's what the gasket is. There you go. Make sure the vanos is clean all around there. And then the vanos slide on. I got my spring tension, so that's gonna bounce back. Right now, put all the boots. And it's showing you. Now, I'll tighten it with the thing. I need to make sure I didn't over tighten it. I'm not gonna take a break. So at that point, the vanos is on. All right, let's see. See what we got going. We in the whip now. Cool. Now we go. But the car drives better though. I feel like car drives better, but cats are gonna get clogged up. Cut off maybe, but for the most part, power's back. Alright, so I went and checked and I had a code for some dumb stuff, but fixed it. Now we're back on the road. Car drives way better. Cut off anymore. Before it was cutting off. The car would have been cut off. So now it's not cutting off anymore. So we fixed that problem. Pull the manifold, bro. Like, so yeah. According to the video, as y'all see, the catalytic converter is clogged up, and that's what's causing my problem. So I'm either gonna gut the headers out, or I'm gonna put some headers on it. So I don't know, either or. Either just gut them out, gut out the cats, you know, cut it, take all the stuff out of it, weld it back up, run it, or get some aftermarket headers, put them on the car, and see what they do. You know what I'm saying? So I'll let y'all know what I'm gonna do next episode with that. And yeah, man. So that didn't fix my problem. Every YouTube video, it ain't gonna fix the problem, but we're gonna keep going and we gonna fix the problem. Trust me. So let's get it. See y'all next episode. Like, share, subscribe. Holla at your boy, man. I'm about to be doing a lot of content. Holla at me. Let's get it.